Good afternoon, LC people. Yeah, all I've done to the F2 was do the bar ends, helicords to make them work. I've collected this one from Nottingham today. That one from Barrow-on-Soar today. That'll be for sale. Very genuine article, that bike is. It's either a Swiss or German import, but it's very nice, very honest bike. It will be for sale after it's serviced. I don't know price yet. I've not got into that. That one come the other day. Daytona's finished. Tyler White bike to do. The hybrid over there. The Hull bike. The Amtes. One upstairs in bits. I've took the paintwork today to get done. So I've had a busy day on the road. I've not really done anything bike-wise, I'll be honest. I've just been too busy driving. But there's one coming from Plymouth. Either tomorrow or Thursday. And that's Dave's sort of full. There must be, I don't know, a dozen plus bikes going on that I've got to do. That's it for me until spring. I won't be taking on anything else. I think there's an engine coming and that's it. I've just got too many things on now. It will keep me busy. Anyway, folks, I'll keep you posted. But I think for the rest of the week, I'm going to be on to the F2. I've got to go to the welders in the morning to take the Amtes head to get welded up. They've got the radiator, so. And then I'm going to see what cracks off with this. Still waiting for a barrel, but I can get all the rest of it back together, can't I? But watch this space and I'll keep you posted. But yeah, it's the workshop's looking rather full. Thanks for watching, dilly dilly.